Hello, UVI faculty. The Center for Student Success presents its brand new online tutoring platform called Smarthinking. Today, I am going to show you how to access this wonderful service. So here we are on the UVI homepage or home screen. You will then proceed to the top right of your page, click on Menu, then you will select the My Campus tab. After clicking the My Campus tab, you will then enter into the My Campus portal and you will select Blackboard. So you simply scroll down and select Blackboard. Here on Blackboard, you will then go and select Courses, select the Courses tab, and then you will select the class in which you want your students to access the online tutoring service. Having done so, you would then proceed to the left pane of your screen and select this small little plus sign. Then you scroll down and select Tool Link. After selecting Tool Link, you will enter the name Smarthinking into the box, and where it says Type, you will click on the drop down menu and scroll down until you see Smart Thinking Online Tutoring. Then you select Smart Thinking Online Tutoring. You would then click the little checkbox that says Available to Users. So click the little checkbox, then click Submit. Once you've done that correctly, you should see your Smarthinking Online Tutoring tab right below on the left pane of your screen. You simply click the Smarthinking Online Tutoring tab. It would bring you to the Smarthinking login page. However, in the event that that page is blocked, because some persons may have their pop-up blockers on, this would be an easy step in fixing that minor problem. You would then go to the top right of your screen where you see this little red X for the pop-up blocker. Select it and then select the option that says always allow pop-ups. Select that tab, then select done. You would then scroll down and click where it says click here to continue. So you will click the click here to continue tab. And after clicking that tab, you're in. You would see the sign that says welcome to Smart Thinking, and you'll see the different tabs, options where it says refer my students to tutoring, review my students' referred sessions and submissions, review alerts for my students' referred sessions. So this will provide you all the necessary information and the ability and opportunity to refer your students to tutoring. You could check or review if your students did in fact attend the tutoring sessions, and you will have that feedback at your fingertips. So thank you for joining me as I showed you this wonderful new online tutoring platform. and I hope it helps. Um, and please feel free to reach out to me if you have any issues, concerns, or questions, and I will be glad to assist. Thank you very much and enjoy the rest of your day.